Welcome to another episode of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. In this video, we're going to see another important phrasal style. So this is quite basic, but you need it all the time to speak Tamil. Let's see that now. Eating is easy. Sleeping is even easier. But working? So do you see that? Ing. And you guessed it right. Let's cut to the chase. In Tamil, we have a similar style to the English grammatic term gerund. That's verbal noun. I use this word style and not the word term. But it with caution because the grammar in English is constructed out of the English style of expression. Therefore, when you compare and learn, you have to let go the terms and remember only the concept. So, examples of English gerund: talking is easy, but doing is difficult. Singing came naturally to her. So, do you see that they are not actually verbs? They serve in the place of nouns. Okay, no more grammar talk. And to construct such a style of phrases, this is how you have to form them. Verb root and rather. பாட பாடுறத, ஆட ஆடுறத, எழுத எழுதுறத. So there's a reason why I have shrunk the letter U. It's because it's muted. Now you've been following the lessons, you can understand why I shrink some letters. So பாடுறத, ஆடுறத, எழுதுறத. It is not பாடுறத. It is பாடுறத, ஆடுறத, எழுதுறத. Okay, let's see some examples. Talking is easy, but doing is difficult. பேசுறது சுலபம், ஆனால் செய்கிறது கஷ்டம். So when you speak Tamil, you have to have the same style, the intonation. பேசுறது சுலபம், ஆனால் செய்கிறது கஷ்டம். This lesson is self-explanatory. I do not even have to explain anything. Talking is easy, but doing is difficult. பேசுறது சுலபம், ஆனால் செய்கிறது கஷ்டம். Singing came naturally to her. பாடுறது அவளுக்கு இயற்கையாக வந்தது, which means she's a natural. Singing came naturally to her. பாடுறது, singing, அவளுக்கு, to her, இயற்கையாக வந்தது, came naturally. You do not like my staying here, isn't that so? நான் இங்கே இருக்கிறது உனக்கு பிடிக்கல, அப்படி தானே? நான் இங்கே இருக்கிறது, my staying here, உனக்கு பிடிக்கல, you do not like it, அப்படி தானே? Isn't that so? Now let's do a small modification to the same gerund style. But before that, it's good to jog your memory of what you have learned in video 86. He believes me. அவன் என்ன நம்புறான். He believes it. அவன் அதை நம்புறான். So we use not ye and we are using என்ன. And we are not using adu but adha. So please see direct object declension in video 86. You'll also find the link on top. So now this declension is what we are going to use in the next two examples. He misunderstood my talking. நான் பேசுகிறத அவன் தப்பாக புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டான்ப்பா. You're changing that பேசுறது to பேசுறத. Why? Let's simplify the sentence. He misunderstood it. அவன் அதை தப்பாக புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டான். So this is the declension. Now that other is it, which is பேசுறத, the talking. Now you can understand. நான் பேசுறத அவன் தப்பா புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டான்பா. And what is that pa here? Okay, that's how girls address themselves. They also, that's one of the ways to address themselves in a friendly way. Stop singing. பாடுறத நிறுத்து. பாடுறத நிறுத்து. It is not பாடுறது but பாடுறத நிறுத்து. Okay. Now to understand this 100%, go through it once again please. And now a little brain gym time for you. Try to translate these 3 phrases and write it in the comment section, and I will correct it as usual. And there are a couple of phrases that you see in the thumbnail which you can also do for that. So that is all friends. Once again, please check the Instagram, join the Telegram to talk with others and learn. Vanakkam, Vanakkam, Vanakkam.